Recently, I've committed insurance fraud. I'm just kidding. My beloved big turbo 6.7 Ford burnt to the ground. Burned a bunch of my money, my merch, my camera equipment, personal stuff, and it really sucked. And now we got to find a new truck so we can drag the cars around. And when you hear me say I committed insurance fraud, I just like to joke about everything. Don't pay me no mind. It's not serious. Just having fun. Everyone's just having fun. We're all having fun here, right? Yeah. And with that being said, now we are on the hunt for a new truck. But new trucks cost a whole bunch of monies. So we wound up with this. So this thing is cool because it looks rough, but it's got a cool motor under the hood. And it has virtually no rust. Yeah, no joke though, this thing is pretty solid. Hey! Like I was saying, it's just surface rust. So the thing's pretty good solid shape. It looks real good underneath. And it's got a fuel injected LS in it. Huh? It currently don't run. Because it's got injector stopped up when the computer brakes stuck on it. Fuel lines leaking. So we're gonna try to move it and fix it.
One lawnmower later.
Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Hey. What are we ever gonna do?
I thought we had front brake problems, but
Yep.
at least it rolls.
Yeah, fuck me. The wind's bad. The wind's bad, so this probably sounds really bad. We can't get the thing to come unstuck. Tried to get the drum cover off. That's not coming. So we're just going to fire it up and neutral drop it. But we're trying to get it in right now because we're leaking a lot of gas. So we're just going to have to ether it to neutral drop it. In reverse. Clutch drop it, I mean.
These are rough looking jumper cables.
It's seen better days. I guess I shouldn't have committed insurance fraud. Woo! Hey, it worked! It worked! It's rolling. Hey, you got one tire. One tire. I'm out of ether. This thing's gonna be expensive on gas. We're fucking ether every day. I should have negotiated, Bean, that you had to fix it first. Don't commit insurance fraud, folks. That ought to be the title of the video. I committed insurance fraud. What about insurance fraud? Why, you want me to tell them about how you helped me pour gas on? Beans, buy here, pay here.
As is where he is.
As is where. Hey, Bean. Yeah. Can you come do this? No. Okay. Let me tell you a story about this man who committed insurance fraud. losing my money. Try it. Oh yeah. Oh God, quit. Turn it off. It's pissing all over you, Bean. Look over here. It's all over you. Light you a cigarette. Why is it? Ah! No smoking. I can't commit insurance fraud twice in a row.
It's gonna be suspicious.
Yeah, it's gonna start looking awful weird. I'm gonna be higher than hell when we get done. Only thing you can do is like burn to the ground. You think they'll give me full coverage on an 84?
Yeah.
All right.
About
$800.
You say try fire?
It ain't gonna spark none. It'll be fine. You got insurance on the building? Not enough. God damn. Bunch of junk. Now we're gonna have to fix the battery. Huh? It's alive! Hey, it's Cam. It actually sounds pretty cool.
Might still got a little bit of mist.
I love carbon monoxide. Check out the power with it. Oh, it quit working? You're gonna have to come off this thing.
Is it in the fan?
I think Dad just got in the fan, yeah. He didn't even flinch when he hit the fucking fan. He just, he didn't even budge. Alright, we can shut it off and plug it up.
I'll just see if it'll help it, really.
I say we just leave the tank on the ground and drive it. See what happens.
Oh.
Dang, lang, lang, poof. Insurance fraud. If you're watching at home, drink a beer every time I say insurance fraud in this video. Take a drink. I'm gonna have to blare Johnny Paycheck in this thing.
Never be fun, right?
Oh, I would, but it don't have a fucking speaker, does it?
It's got a radio though. Yeah. Cool.
We'll have to get a Bluetooth speaker.
You would have had one if you hadn't committed insurance, bro.
Ah, take a shot.
Alright, put the gas tank up. You'll be burning.
For real?
Pick it up.
I'm trying. It's only got 45 gallons of fuel. It smells like gas under here.
Imagine one.
Why's it got so much damn gas in it? Is it all water? It's so heavy. Hey, now it's about to fall. I'm under here. Dang, exhaust was hot. Coming from a land down under. Yeah, yeah. Blowing, blowing, mentioned. Hey, hey. Doing good on a Wednesday. Yeah. Luscious locks. That's why I wear the beanie and need a haircut. By the way, if you need a haircut, Clyde J's Barbershop, Jonesville, Virginia. Brandon Seals. It's looking good. Damn. I found it. Yeah. Yeah, brake's grabbing still a little bit. What a jewel. It's got a supercharger on it. Come on in. Come on in. A little bit more. Huh. This thing sounds like shit. Is that the transmission or the machine? See, it really needs to have that noise, like, and have about 250 more horsepower behind it. Just whee! Whee! Big fat LSA on the thing. Just waiting for it to catch on fire after that wonderful clamp job I done. Damn, it needs it. So it's running bad because we got a computer. We got a computer out of Bean's LS Swap box body. Not the green one, his new one, but anyway, holy shit, it's all over the road. Well, that time. Hello, Jeep man. At least it ain't died yet. That's better than what my usual. This sumbitch just fucking died. Reverse. Watch out. Reverse. God. Reverse. Son. There we go. We're back. We're backing up. Little clutch adjustment. You bitch. Act like it now. Come on. They ain't gonna bang second this. It farted. It don't like to shift. It don't like to stop. It don't like to stay running. It's a pretty fun truck. When I tried to come up here and get on first to second, I couldn't get it. It said, I didn't try to slam it in. When I pulled it down, I just ain't used to it. Probably got to pull it back towards you a little bit, don't you? See how tight it is?
Yeah. You trying to see it fast?
Yeah, see.
Well, I mean, this ain't no racing model.
But you said you could do first, second.
You could get in my other truck.
Oh, so I need that transmission, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. That was pretty good, man. You still got it. I couldn't do it. I'm gonna break it trying to fucking do it.
Need a transmission 2 days.
Damn it, smoked them hard in second, didn't it? I'm gonna sell the station wagon and start drag racing this damn thing. Had me 4 slicks on the back. We're gonna get a nut. Oh, we got a bounce.
It's got a pretty hard miss right there.
Yeah. Do we have any gauges to know what temperature or oil pressure or anything? No? Okay.
No.
It's just a 5.3. We blow it up. We'll throw another.
Right now we got 80 pound oil pressure and it's running under 100
Oh,
degrees.
is it? Yeah. Great. At least this time when you bang second, you didn't go over the hill and hit a rock.
No, Bean.
Oh my God!
You want to try it?
Hey, let's do it. I don't give a damn. Goddamn third spread's way out there. Well, I like this thing pretty good, I do believe. Seems like it'll be a pretty good truck. It needs a lot of little work here and there, but what or who don't from 1984. So, but one day I plan to cam it, put a real supercharger on it, not a bad power steering pump, lower it, fix the windows, put some semi wheels on it, some 20 tools, and pull my race cars with it. Hopefully not break down in the middle of nowhere. Thanks for watching. Freaking GMs. I missed my Ford. Please like, share, and subscribe so I don't have to break down trying to get you content. Love you. In the arms of an angel. If you please watch my videos, I can eat.
In the arms of the angel.
Not only be able to eat, but not have to commit any more insurance fraud.
Cash rules everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar bill, yo.
Did that cow just shit on that other one's head? Dang.
She's on